Sweden and Iran completed a high-stakes prisoner exchange on Saturday, releasing a former Iranian official convicted of war crimes and two Swedish nationals held in Iran. The swap, mediated by Oman, marks a significant diplomatic event with profound implications for international relations and justice. Hamid Nouri, a former Iranian judiciary official convicted for his involvement in the mass execution of political prisoners in 1988, was released from a Swedish prison. Concurrently, Sweden secured the release of Johan Floderus and Saeed Azizi, both detained in Iran on serious charges. Kazem Gharibabadi, Iran's top human rights official, announced Nouri's release on X, stating he would return to Iran within hours. Swedish Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson confirmed the return of Floderus and Azizi, criticizing Iran for using them as pawns in a negotiation to free Nouri. Iran used them both as pawns in a cynical negotiation game with the purpose of getting the Iranian citizen Hamid Nouri released from prison in Sweden, Kristersson said. He emphasized the government's intensive efforts to ensure the safety of Swedish citizens, working closely with Swedish security services. Nouri, 63, was arrested at Stockholm airport in 2019 and sentenced to life imprisonment for war crimes related to the torture and execution of political prisoners at the Gohadasht prison in Karaj, Iran. He has consistently denied the charges. The National Council of Resistance of Iran, a coalition opposing Iran's Islamic Republic government, condemned Sweden's decision, suggesting it capitulated to blackmail. Kenneth Lewis, a lawyer representing plaintiffs in the Nouri case, described the release an affront to the entire justice system. This is an affront to the entire justice system and everyone who has participated in these trials, Lewis said, according to Reuters. Despite sympathizing with the efforts to repatriate Swedish citizens, he called Nouri's release totally disproportionate. Floderus, an EU employee, was detained in Iran in 2022, accused of spying for Israel and corruption on earth, a crime carrying the death penalty. Azizi, a Swedish-Iranian dual national, was arrested in November 2023 on what Sweden deemed wrongful grounds. Another dual national, Ahmad Reza Jalali, remains imprisoned in Iran. An emergency medicine doctor, Jalali, was arrested in 2016 during an academic visit and has since faced severe charges.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.